Hey guys, I'm Alex and this is Cookshop. Kind of like woodshop, except here you eat the metaphorical picture frame instead of giving it away to someone who didn't really want it in the first place. Let's admit it. This is one of my favorite summertime pastas, and this is Cookshop, so you know it's going to be really easy and really tasty. Let's hit it.
First, turn on the water in the pot on the heat on high. Add a little salt. Don't make it taste like seawater, that's too much. When it's got a good rolling boil, add your pasta. That'll take about 10 or 12 minutes, which is more than enough time to get the caprese part together. Get out your big block of fridge mozzarella. If you can get real fresh mozzarella, it's awesome in this dish. Grab a handful of leaves from your scraggly little basil bush. Water on, wash off 1 container of cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes, or both. I had the remains of 2 containers left over. Now you just cut everything up, and one key to cutting things in a dish like this is try to make everything about the same size, which also means making it roughly the same size as the pasta. And just knock them out. Cut your tomatoes roughly in half, give your basil a little roll and a chiffonade, and then your mozzarella, cut it into chunks, roughly about the same size as your tomatoes. And look at that, just in time for the pasta. Drain it, don't rinse it. Add everything back in while it's still warm. Little olive oil, little salt. You can add some minced garlic here or a little shake of red pepper flakes. And that's it, pasta caprese. Delicious.
And believe me, this is one of those dishes that seems like it's so much greater than the sum of its parts. Very easy, tasty, good for summertime. What more could you ask for? So I hope you enjoyed that, guys. If you really hated this, please mash that thumbs down button because, hey, I can use all the interaction I can get. And I'll see you next time. Take care of yourselves and take care of each other. Thanks for watching. Cheers.